Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Can all of you hear me? Can all of you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Okay, fine. Please put on your videos, everyone. Please put on your videos. Okay, one or two people net is slow different, but others. Okay, fine. So today mainly I want to discuss yesterday whatever we derived, how to remember it. I want to focus on that and do some examples based on that. Okay, because that is a mainly where in the beginning somebody doesn't learn, they should know that part. Others are just formulas, we can go further. Okay. So yesterday we have seen how sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, and all those things. So how to remember, all right. Sometimes they write like table. My purpose is not to remember the table, remember the method of how to remember, not how to derive here. Okay. So I'm going to write 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, or let us just write what is there. Okay, sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 plus theta, cos 180 minus theta, cos 270 minus cos 180 plus theta, cos 270 degrees minus theta, cos 360 minus theta, cos 360 plus theta, cos 450 minus theta, cos 450 plus theta, cos 540 minus theta. Okay, especially those are not attended completely the previous classes. They have to write. Others they want to just listen also fine. Okay, whether I should write cos or sine. I wrote all cos, so this also I should write cos. This all cos. So write everything. Okay. Whether I'll get cos theta or sin theta depends on the angle here is 90 degrees into even number or 90 degrees on odd number. Whether it is an even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90. Vamsi, are you there in the class? Okay. Is there but not responding. Vamsi, why are you not responding?
Sir, just now I switched to another mobile set.
Okay. All right. Fine. Fine. Okay. So whenever you have even multiple of 90, so whenever I have even multiple of 90, cos will remain as cos. Whenever I have odd multiple of 90, cos will become sine. So here 180 is there, 360 is there, 540, they're all even multiples. So here also cos theta, here also cos theta, here also cos theta, here also cos theta, here also cos theta. Whenever you have odd multiples of 90, like 90, 270, there should be one more thing I should write, 270 plus theta. Okay. And 450, cos will become sine. So I have to write sine theta here, 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 and sine theta here. Okay. This is for whether cos will remain as cos or cos will change into sine. Very simple. Even multiple of 90, odd multiple of 90. Less or minus, how to know? Theta can be anything here. Theta can be 10 degrees, 1000 degrees, minus 2 degrees, 0 degrees, anything, doesn't matter. But while writing the formula, we should think theta is a very small positive number like 1 degree, 2 degree. We take 90 degrees minus 1 degree. Okay, so you should know before that. When 90 degrees is here, so 90 minus theta will be in first quadrant. 90 plus theta in second quadrant. 180 degrees is here. 180 minus theta is in second quadrant. 180 plus theta is in third quadrant. 270 is here. So 270 minus theta is in third quadrant. 270 plus theta is in fourth quadrant. This is 360. 360 minus theta is fourth quadrant. 360 plus theta is first quadrant. This is 450 also. So 450 minus theta is first quadrant. 450 plus theta is second quadrant. This is 540 also. So 540 minus theta is in second quadrant. 90 minus theta first quadrant, in that cos is positive. 90 plus theta is second quadrant, in that cos is negative. One may say in second quadrant sign is positive. No, the sign of this doesn't matter. The LHS cos is there, in the second quadrant is negative. That's why I'm putting minus. That's how we remember. Not that's why. That's how we remember. 180 minus theta second quadrant, cos is negative, so minus. 180 plus theta third quadrant, so cos is negative. 4 again third quadrant, so cos is negative. Fourth quadrant, cos is positive. And this is also fourth quadrant, cos is positive. First quadrant, cos is positive. This is also first quadrant, cos is positive. This is second quadrant, 450 plus theta here. Cos is negative and negative. Okay, so here cos 90 minus theta is plus sin theta, cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta, cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. All those formulas are correct. How to remember is this like a short. Vamsi, is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody else learning all these things for the first time? Some of you may be attended previous classes, but you are just for 1 second clarification may be attending. But anybody learning these things for the first time? Anybody else is there? So that means Vamsi, mainly I'm teaching these classes for you only.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm going to erase. Anybody needs more time? Okay, let us do this for tan now. Okay. Tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 plus theta. Again, all these are tan. Okay. So Vamsi, why don't you answer? In tan 90 minus theta, will I get tan theta or cot theta?
Cot theta, sir.
Yeah, odd multiple of 90, tan will change to cot. So cot theta. What about here?
Cot theta.
Cot theta. What about tan 180 minus theta, tan 180 plus theta? What will come here? This is even multiple of 90. If it is even multiple of 90, same function will come. It will be tan theta and the tan theta. Okay. Harika, what will come here? When you take tan 270 minus theta, tan will come or cot will come?
Sir, cot will come, sir.
Cot, because it's odd multiple of 90. This is cot theta and this is also cot theta. Right. Then this even multiple of 90. So again, tan theta. 450 is odd multiple. So again, cot theta. And this is even multiple of tan. Okay. So Vamsi, please answer here. All of them you have to tell the signs. 90, 90 minus theta, which quadrant?
First one.
So tan what you should write? You don't have to mute yourself. Just tell all these answers and keep unmuted and tell all these answers.
Tan 90 minus theta first quadrant.
So because of that, plus or minus.
Plus, sir.
Okay. The second one,
90 plus theta minus, sir.
which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Okay.
Minus.
And
After that is second quadrant only, sir. Minus.
okay. Anyway, just somebody else is speaking in the same room. Somebody is teaching a class or what?
No, sir. My father is getting angry at some other person, so that's why I'm turning off my mic, sir.
Okay, then mute yourself. All right. Okay. Harshita, roll number 375. Why don't you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell us the signs here for all these things?
Sir, next one is plus.
Why? Which quadrant it is?
Third
Okay.
quadrant.
Okay.
Then one more plus.
Okay.
Then minus.
Okay. 270 plus theta, which quadrant?
270 plus theta is third. Fourth quadrant. 270 plus theta. Okay.
Fourth quadrant. Okay. What about 360 minus theta, which quadrant?
360 minus theta is fourth quadrant.
And the tan will be?
Minus.
Okay. 360 plus theta, first quadrant.
Plus.
What up? Okay. Later
Then
on?
next one is plus.
Okay.
Then minus and minus, sir. Both.
Okay. Okay. So you have to see 450 plus theta is second quadrant, 540 minus theta second quadrant, tan is next to that. Okay. So whenever you have tan, if it is even multiple of 90, tan will remain as tan. If it is odd multiple of 90, tan will become 40. Plus or minus depends on all these things belong to which quadrant. In that, this one what sign? Okay, Vamsi, are you clear about all these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in those who are learning for first time, but they should write, even though they may know, but when they write, they'll remember that. Okay, we're done cos and tan. I want to know sine. So I'm going to erase all these things. Okay. Others, can you please put on your videos? Because have doesn't have net problem. Okay. Roll number 46, Chaitanya, can you please respond?
So,
Okay. Sine 90 minus theta, plus or minus we'll see later. You have to tell me whether cos theta will come or sin theta will come in each case.
cos theta, sir.
First one is cos theta. Next one.
Cos theta.
Okay. Next one.
Sin 180 minus cos theta.
180 is even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90?
Even multiple, sir.
So then even multiple, this trigonometric
Ah, yes, sir.
function
Sin
remains.
theta. Sin theta.
Okay. What about here?
Sin theta.
Okay. Next.
Cos theta.
Next
Cos
here.
theta.
Okay.
Sin theta.
Okay.
Sine theta.
Okay.
450 cos theta.
Yes. So for the odd multiple, cos theta.
Cos theta. Sine theta.
Why don't you tell the signs here? You have to
Sir,
tell me.
first one is positive.
Okay. Which quadrant it is?
It is in first quadrant, sir.
Okay. Second one.
Second one is also positive, sir.
Which quadrant?
It is also in first quadrant.
90 plus theta. Which quadrant?
Second quadrant, sir.
Okay. And 180 minus theta. Which quadrant?
It's in second quadrant. It's positive, sir.
Okay.
Third one is in third quadrant.
Hmm.
So it is negative.
Okay.
It is third quadrant. It is negative.
Okay.
Sir,
270 plus theta.
so your video is stuck, sir.
My video is stuck. I think you're new to
So
your
you're able
network.
to hear me?
I am able to hear you clearly.
So,
Okay, then from here onward, I'll ask somebody
so
else.
it is,
to talk.
sir, it is
So-
negative.
Yeah, it's
Sine
okay.
270 plus theta.
Okay. All right.
360 minus, it's a negative, sir. Sine
Okay.
360 minus theta.
Anyway, this is fourth quadrant.
It is
This also
positive.
fourth. Yeah. 360
Fourth
plus theta. 360 plus theta.
It's in first quadrant positive.
Okay.
450 minus, it's in first quadrant positive.
Okay.
Second quadrant positive.
Okay.
So 1 second, I need.
Okay.
Sir,
540 minus. Okay. Where is 540?
it is in 6.
This is 360.
Third quadrant.
This is 450. 540 is here. 540
Yes.
is here.
So it's
And
in
I
second
want-
quadrant positive.
Yeah. Right. Okay, good. Okay. Vamsi, you're clear about all these things?
Yes, sir. Sir, based on yesterday you told the ratio which quadrant it is positive or negative, this is determined, sir.
Yeah. You understand which quadrant it is. In that, this one is positive or negative. You know about all silver teacups.
Yes,
Here,
sir, like
all are
based
positive.
on
Here,
that
sign
one
is-
it is determined, sir.
Yeah. Once again, I'm saying that is a shortcut way of remembering. The derivation is something else, but anyway, you can just take it like that. Yeah. We are writing plus and minus based on that all silver teacups, understanding which quadrant it is. In that, whether this one is positive or negative based on all silver teacups. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And whether the same function will come or its counterpart will come depends on whether it is
Odd
odd
multiple
multiple
or
of 90 or even multiple. For sine, counterpart is cos. For cos, counterpart is sine. For tan, counterpart is cot. Is it all right? Okay. So these are like formulas. Now let us find some angles where we are going to use these things. Okay. Okay, let us say I want to find up to 90 degrees, at least we know sine 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60, 90 we know. Little more we want to know. Sine 120 degrees. There are two ways to do it. Somebody can write sine 90 plus 30 degrees. Somebody can write sine 180 minus 60. Sine 90 plus theta, formula is cos theta. Why? It's an odd multiple of 90, so sine became cos, theta is 30. 90 plus is in second quadrant, so it is positive. And cos 30 is root 3. If you are using sine 180 minus theta, 180 is even multiple of 90, so sine will remain as sine, so it will be sine 60. And second quadrant sine is positive, 180 minus. So again, it is root 3 by 2. So whichever way you do, same answer should come. It is not that you write this way one answer, this way one answer. Sine 120 angle is fixed. Whichever way you do it, same answer should come. Here I might have got cos 30, here I might have got sin 60, but both are positive and plus 50. Okay, so by using these formulas, till now we know only 0 to 90 degrees some angles. We are able to find others. That is, I want to find the cos 120 degrees. I can write cos 90 plus 30 or cos 180 minus 60. Here you'll get cos 60 plus or minus, we'll see later. Here odd multiple side will become sin 30. But 90 plus 30 is second quadrant, and that sin may be positive, but we are interested in cos, which is negative. There are also cos in second quadrant negative. So minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. By dividing, I'll get tan, but I directly want to do tan. So if I want to take tan 120, I can write tan 90 plus 30 or tan 180 minus 60. When I take tan 90 plus 30, it will be minus cot 30. Why minus? Because odd multiple of 90, tan becomes cot. Why minus? 90 plus is second quadrant, tan becomes cot. Minus will come, second quadrant negative. Here 180 even multiple of 90 with tan will remain as tan, so it will be tan 60. So second quadrant should be minus. So this is also minus root 3. This is also minus 3. All right. All of you are able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'll give some other angles to try to find out. Okay. There are two ways you can do any, both ways are not necessary. Any one of the way also you can try. I'll just give some questions. Mamsi, you're writing notes properly, right?
Yes, sir. Writing, sir.
Okay. I want to find that is the first. We already done 3 questions. Okay. So this is the 4th question. Sin 150 cos 135 degrees. Okay. Tan also 135. Sin 210 degrees. Cos 240 degrees. Tan 225 degrees. Sin 315 degrees. Cos 300 degrees. Tan 230 degrees. Okay, so try to find each one of them. Just for practice right now. Try to do on your own. If somebody has a doubt, just giving him to. Like yesterday, after 10 minutes, this meeting will stop. Then with the same link, you can rejoin again. So basically every angle, there is a multiple of 90 on this side or this side. For example, 150 is between 90 and 180. I can write 90 plus or 180 minus. Finally, same answer will come. 135, one side 90, one side 180. I can write 90 plus 45, 180 minus 45. 135, I can write 180 minus 45. 210 is between 180 and 270. So I can write 180 plus or 270 minus. All these three angles. All these are between 270 and 360. So I can write 270 plus something or 360 minus something. Okay, Vamsi, are you getting all these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chaitanya, you could get all these answers? Roll number
Yes,
46.
sir.
Okay, fine. Jnanadeep, you got all these answers? Okay. Harshita completed? Got all these answers?
Yes, sir. I completed.
Okay, fine. Okay, so now we should be more comfortable with radians, as I said earlier. So I'm going to give something like this in radians. So let us see how to remember things in radians. Okay, so we know pi by 2 is 90 degrees. Okay. First, I'll give in terms of theta and then I'll give some radians. I did not count how many questions are there. Sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Cos pi plus theta. Tan pi by 2 plus theta. Sine 2 pi minus theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Tan pi plus theta. Pradeep Kumar, are you there? Okay. Tell me the first one, sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Whether I'll get cos theta or sin theta.
Cos theta.
Why?
So it is multiple of 90, sir.
Yeah, pi by 2 is 90, is odd multiple of 90. That's why cos theta will come. Next, whether it is, let me draw here. This is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 2 pi. So pi by 2 minus theta is first quadrant, pi by 2 plus theta is second quadrant, pi minus theta is also second quadrant, pi plus theta is third quadrant, 3 pi by 2 minus theta is third quadrant, v pi by 2 plus theta is fourth quadrant, v pi minus theta is this, and 2 pi plus theta is this. Okay. 3 pi by 2 minus theta, which quadrant?
290. Sir, third quadrant.
Third quadrant sign is
Negative.
minus. Okay. So minus plus theta. Right. Vamsi, cos pi plus theta. It will come cos theta or sin theta?
Sir, sin theta, sir.
Why? You may say pi, it is odd multiple of pi. It is not odd multiple of pi. You have to see multiple of pi by 2. Pi by 2 into how much is this?
Into 2.
So it is even multiple of pi by 2 or odd multiple of pi by 2?
Sir, then cos theta will come.
So cos theta. Plus
Minus
or minus?
cos theta. Minus.
Minus. Which quadrant?
Sir, 180 plus theta, sir, that is third quadrant.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, class is going to end in few minutes. That is in some time, but we'll stay start in it. Tan 90 plus theta. Let me ask. B Tarun. B Tarun. tan 90, sorry, pi by 2 plus theta, tan theta will come or cot theta will come? I think your voice is breaking. Okay. All right, it's okay. So this is odd multiple of pi by 2, so you'll get cot theta. And 90 plus theta is second quadrant, tan is negative, so minus cot theta. You say 2 pi. 2 pi is 4 times pi by 2. So
Can you hear me now?
yeah, this
Sir?
will